Dear learners, in this video lecture, I am going to discuss about the second layer of the atmosphere known as the stratosphere. So, the stratosphere, which is often referred as the ozonosphere too. Now, this is located approximately 12 to 50 kilometers, and it starts just after the tropopause. So tropopause lies in between the troposphere and stratosphere. This is the transition zone of troposphere, or the transition zone after this stratosphere starts. Up to up to from 15 to 30 kilometers, ozone layer sits, and it actually shields us from the ultraviolet rays of sun, and because this is the home of the ozone layer, that is why it is also called as the ozonosphere. Now this ozone layer, approximately 90 to 97 to 99% of ultraviolet radiations of sun is absorbed by ozone layer, and these are sun's medium frequency UV light, which ranges from 200 nanometer to 315 nanometer. So the wavelength of 200 nanometer to 315 nanometer is of medium wavelength of ultraviolet radiations. These are absorbed by the ozone layer, and that is why uh, this uh, uh, this actually absorption of the UV light starts the photochemical reaction which forms ozone by the continuous process of ozone oxygen cycle, and this cycle is also known as the Chapman cycle because it was discovered by Chapman. So this is quite important layer of the atmosphere because of the ozone which is present here. Now here you can see, because of the photochemical reaction, the temperature starts to increase from minus 56 degrees centigrade to minus 2.5 degrees centigrade. Firstly, till 20 kilometers where the ozone lies, till 20 kilometers the temperature remains constant because it was decreased in troposphere up to minus 50 degrees centigrade. From 15 degrees centigrade, it was decreased to minus 56 degrees centigrade. So this minus 50 degrees, 56 degrees centigrade remains constant in the stratosphere up to the height of 20 kilometers. And after that layer, because ozone sits in between 15 to 30 kilometers, and the photochemical reactions takes place in the ozone layer to form the ozone layer. So these photochemical reactions produces heat, so the temperature starts to increase, and this increases up to minus 0.2.5 degree centigrade in the stratosphere. Now we all know that British meteorologist GMV Dobson developed a Dobson meter to measure stratospheric ozone, and it is represented by Dobson's unit. So one Dobson unit is equivalent to 0.03 millimeter, and the average thickness of ozone layer is 0.03 millimeter, and lesser than this, it is considered as the ozone hole. This stratosphere layer, is almost cloud and weather free, but sometimes polar stratospheric clouds are uh, present in the lowest and the coldest altitudes. Thank you.